Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to deposit INR into your WazirX account. Depositing funds is quick and easy. We will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the WazirX app on your device. Once you're in, click on the Funds tab. Now, you'll arrive at a screen where you can see several things: your total portfolio value, your crypto holdings, and your INR balance. Right next to your INR balance, you'll see a green button that says Plus Deposit. Go ahead and click on that green button. Great! You'll now be directed to the INR wallet screen. On this screen, you will see the complete history of all the INR deposits and withdrawals you will make on the platform. As you can see on the screen, at the bottom of the screen, you'll notice two options: deposit and withdraw. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to click on Deposit. Perfect. Once you click on Deposit, you will be directed to the Deposit INR screen. Here, you can see your current balance and the current payment methods available for making deposits. Select a method from the available options. For now, in this video, we are choosing the Instant Bank Transfer option. This allows you to transfer funds via IMPS, NEFT or RTGS, whichever is convenient for you. Now, click on Show Bank Details. You'll now see the bank details provided by WazirX. This is where you'll be transferring your money. Here's what you need to do next. Add the provided bank details as a beneficiary in your banking app or net banking account. To avoid any mistakes while adding the beneficiary details, you can copy-paste the details by clicking on the copy icon against each field. This will reduce any typing errors. Take your time and verify the details twice to make sure everything is correct. This is important. Once you've added WazirX as a beneficiary, go to your banking app or net banking portal. Transfer the money from your bank account to this beneficiary you've just added via IMPS, NEFT or RTGS. And that's it. The amount will be credited after some time in your WazirX account. Processing times vary from one option to another. IMPS can be instant, while NEFT may take some time. Do check out the processing time for your method and plan your deposits accordingly. Once the deposit is credited, you can see the details of the deposit in the transaction history of the INR wallet. See, it's this simple. Before we conclude, here's a very important note. Make sure you deposit funds only from the bank account verified with us. Any third-party deposits, which means deposits from someone else's account, will be rejected and refunded to you within 5 to 7 business days. Always use your verified bank account for deposits. And there you have it. You now know how to deposit INR into your WazirX account quickly and securely. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support.wazirex.com. Thanks for watching and happy trading.
The information, content, and materials shared in this video are solely for educational and informational purposes. The contents are not an inducement by WazirX to you to invest, transact, buy, or sell. Neither is it intended to market, promote, or sell any cryptocurrencies, VDAs, and/or products or services related thereto. For more details, please refer to WazirX terms of use and WazirX disclaimer.